For mild and heavy pest pressure in or around your property, take back control with TYVET PRO Essential Oil Insecticide. For homeowners looking for greener pest control, this product is FIFRA 25B exempt, meaning it's made with ingredients that are minimum risk and safer for humans, animals, and the environment. This insecticide is made with a unique blend of ingredients like castor oil, lemongrass oil, and geraniol that are known to control, eliminate, and repel a broad spectrum of insects. TYVET PRO is a suspended concentrate, so you only need to mix a small amount of product with water before application. This product can be mixed and applied with different application equipment depending on the application method you intend to use. You can use a handheld sprayer, hose end sprayer, backpack sprayer, or ultra-low volume equipment like a mister or fogger. Before handling any pesticide product, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE to prevent direct contact with the chemical. TYVET PRO can be used to treat and control pest infestations that occur in turfgrass, shrubs, landscape ornamentals, ornamental trees, and within indoor spaces. This broad-use insecticide has several use applications. We'll go over outdoor perimeter applications, indoor applications, and outdoor fogging applications. Please refer to the product label for full application directions. For outdoor perimeter use, mix 1.5 to 3 fluid ounces of product with at least 1 gallon of water to treat up to 1,000 square feet. For heavy pest pressure, you may use 6 fluid ounces of product. With a handheld hose end or backpack sprayer, apply in a band adjacent to and around the structure where pests may be active or may enter. For best results, make applications to surface perimeters, foundations, eaves, windows, doors, and other places where pests are observed or expected. For indoor use, mix 1.5 fluid ounces of product with at least 1 gallon of water to treat up to 1,000 square feet. For heavy pest pressure, you may use 1 to 3 fluid ounces of product. With a handheld sprayer, apply your solution where insects are usually found. Pay attention to cracks, crevices, corners, and other harborage sites. Repeat as necessary to maintain control. For outdoor fogging, mix 1.5 to 3 fluid ounces of product with at least 1 gallon of water to treat up to 1,000 square feet. For heavy pest pressure, you may use 6 fluid ounces of product. More water may be needed depending on vegetation density. Avoid application to plants where bees are actively foraging. For best results, be sure to treat the top sides and undersides of foliage where insects hide. Broadcast applications to turf or lawns may also be made. TYVET PRO is labeled for use on residential, commercial, institutional, and public structures and buildings. Use sites include, but are not limited to, restaurants, parks, playgrounds, hospitals, dog parks, boat docks, lawns, golf courses, and modes of transportation like trucks or marine vessels. TYVET PRO can be used to treat existing pest infestations or prior to prevent them from occurring. Outdoors, apply on calm days to avoid wind drift. Indoors, conduct your application when the room to be treated is unoccupied and will not be disturbed by people or pets. Keep everyone out until the product dries completely. TYVET PRO may be reapplied until there are no longer any signs of pest activity. TYVET PRO is safe when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. When using this product, take steps to minimize exposure when bees or other pollinators are actively foraging and minimize drift. Do not apply while bees are foraging, and do not apply to plants that are flowering.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.